Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect Printful to Wix website. Printful is one of the best print-on-demand platforms at the moment, and Wix is one of the best website builders. The first thing you're going to need to do is create an account on Wix.com. So you want to go onto Wix.com, then from there you can sign up using your email address. I would also recommend that you sign up to both platforms using the same email address, as that tends to make it easier. So next, after signing up on Wix, you want to go onto Printful.com. Once on Printful.com, you are going to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see sign up. You are going to tap right there. Then from here you can sign up using your Google account, or you can use Apple or Facebook, whichever one of these you would like to use. But for this example, I'm going to be using Google. And again, as I recommend earlier, I would advise you to use the same Gmail or email address. Once you're finished signing up, you're going to tap on I agree. Then you're going to tap on sign up in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you'll see the option tell us about yourself. What's your main goal in using Printful? And I'll tap on sell online. Then after doing that, what describes you or your business the best? And you can scroll down and you can select any one of these that would suit you. Then I'm going to tap right there. And after you're finished, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, as you can see right here. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option. Right where you see stores, you're going to tap right there. After doing that, you're going to be redirected to this page. And all you'll need to do now, right where you see choose platform, you're going to tap right there. After doing that, you're going to tap right where you see Wix. You're going to tap on connect. Then you'll see create your Wix account, connect Wix to Printful, add your products. So all you'll need to do now is simply scroll down, and from here you're going to tap on connect to Wix. And remember that we had created our Wix website earlier. So we're going to tap on connect to Wix. Then you're going to tap on continue with Google, or you're going to sign in using the same email address or Facebook account that you used to create your Wix account earlier. So I'm going to be using the same email address. Let me do that real quick. Then you're going to tap on agree and add, and give it a few seconds to load up. And you can see right here, you already have an account. Continue with your simple, and then I'll tap on continue. Then you can see right here, connect store, and I'll tap on connect store right there. And just give it a few seconds to load up. And you can see right there that it has now been connected. And if I would like to import, all I'll have to do is toggle this on. So I can now start designing. So all I would have to do is start designing, then I'll be able to add products to my store, as you can see right here, collect customer orders, and then after they receive the order at Printful, I'll be able to start making some money. So let's tap on start designing. After you have tapped on start designing, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to choose the type of product that you'd like to start designing on. For example, would you like to start doing print on demands on hoodie, or would you like to do it on a cap, or if you would like to do it, for example, on a phone case or so on, you can do that. So let's say for this example, I want to do it on a phone case, this one right here. All I would have to do is simply tap on it. So let me do that real quick. Then give it a few seconds. It's preparing the design maker. After it has done that, I tap on skip right there. You can see right here, so this is the phone case at the moment, and my design will go right there. I could create a design, for example, in Canva or so on. Let me show you how to do that real quick. Or you can create one in Printful using their menu option from the left and right here. So let's say, for example, I want to use one of their clip art designs. All I do is tap on clip art. Then from there, if I would like to add this, I can simply tap on it. Then after I've tapped on it, you can see it right there. Then I could simply adjust the size. Let me do that real quick. To adjust the size, all you have to do is tap on it. Then you'll simply pull it down and you can see how it looks right there. And if you would like to add, for example, text or so on, all you'll have to do is tap on text. Then after you have tapped on text, you'll be able to add the text that you want. So let's say I want to type in simple. And you can see right there. Then I'm going to be pulling simple to the bottom right here. And that's how I would like it to look. And again, you can also change the color of the text if you would like. Once you are finished and it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you can scroll down and you can see the different Samsungs that it will go on. So it will go on Galaxy S10 straight up to S23. Then you are going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Let me do that real quick. Then it will redirect me to the mockups. And from here you can use a basic mockup if you want, or you can choose a custom mockup. So for this example, I'm going to be using one of the basic mockup. So I'll tap on choose mockup. Then you can see some examples right here. And you can see the mockup, different mockups right there. All I'll have to do is tap on the one that I'd like to use. You can see it right there. I like this one. So all I'll have to do now is simply scroll down, then tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner again. After you have done that, you will add your product title, and you can also add description if you want. Then you are going to scroll down and you can see the benefits of on-demand manufacturing. Add info about on-demand manufacturing and its benefits to the product description. So you'll tap right here if you would like to do that. And also if you plan on shipping to California, you are going to tap in this box that says add California Proposition 65 warning to the product description. Then you are going to scroll down, and from here you can add the product category if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue. Then you'll see the option right here where you can set the price that you'd like to sell it for. So all you'll need to do now is simply tap right where you see retail price, and then from there you can set the price that you would like to sell it for. Once on this page, you are going to set the price. So all you'll need to do is set a price higher than the Printful price right here to make a profit. So all you'll need to do is tap right below retail price. Then from there, you're going to enter the price. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on submit to store in the bottom right hand corner. And just give it a few seconds. You can see that it is being submitted to your store right there. And that's it. So now the product would be submitted to your Wix website. So all you'll need to do now, you would simply go back into Wix and you'll be able to see the product. Now once you're logged into Wix, all you'll need to do once you're on the dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. And you're going to tap right where you see store products. And you're going to tap on products, or you can select inventory, and from there you're going to see the products that you have created on Printful. So you can see it right here that it has been added to my store. If you would like to view it, all you have to do is simply go over and tap on the three dots right here. Then from here you could tap on edit and you'll be able to make any changes or so on if you want by simply tapping on edit right here. So give it a few seconds to load up. And that's basically it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.